round of applause to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, P. Sreedevi Ma'am, and ABDUL Sir. Yeah, please have a seat. Now I would like to call our chairperson, Sir AWAIS. Now I would like to call our respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. Kusuma. Now I would like to call AHMED, Shafia, BALG 580 student to present the bouquet to our chairperson, Sir AWAIS. Now I would like to call AHMED, BBA student LLB 580 to present the bouquet to our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Kusuma. Now I would like to call Pradiksha Tiwari, BBA LLB student 580 to present the bouquet to our guest of honor, Sahir Shiraz Sir. Now I would like to call Anil Kumawar, BA LLB student to present a bouquet to our guest, Said Sir. Thank you so much, all the students. I am absolutely honored to invite our Honorable Chief Guest of Honor, esteemed guest, Chairperson Sir and Principal Ma'am to officially inaugurate our program on legal awareness on anti-ragging by lighting the...
For example, if a fresher joins in the college, seniors think that they have that authority to subject the juniors, they can say whatever they want, mistreat them. So that is the first instance of the ragging. That ragging which is being continuous throughout the course of the education, that is bullying. So you need to understand that ragging is the initial phase when the fresher joins. Bullying is constantly being bullied during the whole course. So I also mentioned one of the instances. I was just going through the news recently. There was an attack on the President Trump. So basically in US even an ex-president is also addressed as a president. So the person who attacked, so there were some interviews on that. So some of the classmates of that person, they said that he was always bullied. We don't know what is the reason why, what actually happened, what was the reason behind it. But one of the class people might be introverts. They not be willing to talk or interact with all of the students. Some will be very proactive extroverts who will be very happy to meet new people, interact with them, open up. Some might not. So maybe because also one of the factors that if a person is not opening up or not interacting, you might start bullying. Oh, maybe he or she has an attitude.
To give justice to the people in the society. So that is the ultimate purpose. So by sitting in the classroom, we will not learn how the law for us to go out and visit the courts, jails, and all other organizations to know how the courts are functioning and how the advocates are presenting their respective court cases before the judges. First point, as a law student, first your duty is to learn the laws very perfectly. Now we have got new laws. CRPC now has changed into BNSS. BNSS, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS. It's got CRPC has been changed. section numbers have been changed, the law is same. Timeline has been fixed to the courts and the police officers for implementing the law. And for IPC, now it is called as BNS. BNS. So, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. And now Indian Evidence Act. Indian Evidence Act has been changed into Bharatiya Sakshya Adhinayam. Bharatiya Nyaya Adhinayam. Sakshya Adhinayam. So BSS. So these three laws have been introduced.
Yeah, with our topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am, and thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak here. And thank you to Mohammed Vikaruddin to give your important points. And now I would like to continue on the topic of statutory provisions of Ragging Act 1997. The Telangana Prohibitions of Ragging Act 1997, Act number 26 of 1997, arrangements of section series of 10. The section number 1 explores short title and commencement, and section number 2 defines Ragging Act 1997, and section 3 discusses on the prohibitions of ragging, and section 4 explores the penalty of ragging, and section 5 addresses the dismissals of students, and section 6 explores the suspension of students, and section 7 examines the abatement, and section 8 explores the other laws not affected, and section 9 talks about power to make rules. Section 10 talks about the repeal of ordinance. Now let's know little bit brief on the section 1 and section 2. The section 1, short title and commencement. This act may be called the Telangana Prohibitions of Ragging Act 1997. It extends the whole of the state of Telangana, and it shall be deemed to have come into the force with effect of 4th July 1997. And the second section of Ragging Act 1997, which defines, in this act, unless the context otherwise requires, act includes words either spoken or written or signs or sounds or gestured visible representation. Educational institution means and includes a college or other institution, whatever named called, carrying on the activity of imparting education therein, either exclusively or among other activities, and includes an orphanage or boarding home or hostel or a tutorial institution or any other premises attached thereto. Government. Government means the state of government of Telangana. This was the point which I given on the Ragging Act 1997. Now I would like to Maliha to speak, continue this topic.
Thank you, Pradiksha Tiwari, for giving statutory provisions with us. Now I would like to ask Malia Fatima Qureshi to explain her topic about punishments of ragging.
Greetings to everyone and a very good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. Myself, Malia Fatima Qureshi, student of BA LLB, as we all gathered here for a group discussion. So it's immense pleasure to present my contribution to this discussion on topic punishments for ragging. As early, Pradiksha, my friend, discussed about the Act, the Telangana Prohibition of Ragging Act 1997. So I would like to continue with her and states the punishments which is mentioned in Section 3, Section 4 and Section 5 and Section 6 of the Telangana Prohibition Act, Ragging Act 1997. Section 3 states that ragging within or outside any educational institution is prohibited. Section 4 clarifies whoever with the intention of causing ragging or the knowledge he is likely by his act to do causing ragging or commits or abets ragging will likely be the student who teases, embarrasses or humiliates the other student shall be punished with the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with the fine which may extend to 1,000 rupees. The students who commits wrong assaults or use criminal forces or criminally intimidate the other students shall be punished with the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year or fine which may extend to 2,000 rupees. The students who wrongfully confines, who wrongfully restrains and cause hurt to the other students shall be punished with the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years or with the fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees. The students who cause grievous hurt, who kidnaps, who abducts, who rapes or commits unlawful offences, the student shall be punished with the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years or with the fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees. The students causing ragging leads to the other student to cause death or abets to suicide. Such students shall be punished with the imprisonment for life or imprisonment for the term which may extend to 10 years or with the fine which may extend to 50,000 rupees. Section 5 affirms that suspension of students. Section 6 enunciates the dismissal of the students. Now I would like to round off my topic by giving the ingredients of ragging, punishable ingredients of ragging. It follows criminal trespass, public nuisance, wrongful confinement, wrongful restraint, extortion, violation of decency, abetment of ragging. Thank you. I would like my friend to continue the discussion.
Thank you, Manya, for